place the 3W floor mat in the driver's seat. Rotate the latch to secure it. Repeat the same steps for the front passenger seat. Next, place the floor mats in the second row. Adjust the position so the edges fit snugly. Do the same and rotate the clips to secure it. Next, place the third row floor mats. Finally, place the trunk mat. Remember to carefully adjust the edges. If you purchased a set that includes a carpet, you'll also need to add the carpet, adjust its position, press the clips firmly, and it'll look like this. Follow the same steps for the front passenger seat and the back seats. Adjust the carpet's position, press the clips firmly to secure them, and you're all set.